Welcome to this instructional tutorial review and unboxing of the SQ29 camera. Okay, so let's take a look at the box. Okay, so let's open the box. Okay, so here's some mounting hardware. Okay, this is the charger and used to sync the data from the camera to the computer. And here's the camera. It comes in a water-resistant case. Okay, to open the water-resistant case, you just pull here. And here's the camera. Okay, here's the lens right at the center. You have 6 night vision lamps all around. Here's the on and off button. Here's the indicator light. This is the Wi-Fi button. And charger and data sync port. Okay, so let's take a look at the manual. It's in English and in Chinese. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to install a memory card. This camera uses a micro SD card. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to install the memory card. You just take the memory card and put it in the slot. Now push the memory card in, and when it clicks, it means it's properly installed. And there you go. The memory card is installed. To charge the camera, just plug the charger into the charging port right here and plug this end right here into the computer, and that is how to charge the camera. At the same time, it'll also access all the data that's on the camera, so you can transfer the data to the computer. Okay, to power the camera on, press and hold down the on and off key until you see the red light appear. Okay, now the camera is in standby mode. Now to start taking video, press and hold down the on and off key for about 2 seconds. Now as you can see, the red light is flashing and the camera is now recording video. To stop recording video, press the on and off key. Video recording has stopped and the camera is now back in standby mode. Take a photo while the camera is in standby mode. Press the on and off key. As you just saw, the red light flashed once and you just took a photo. To take another photo, press the on and off key again. You just took another photo. To take another photo, press the on and off key again. You just took another photo, and so on and so forth. To activate night vision while the camera is recording video, press the Wi-Fi button. Now as you can see, the night vision lamps are lit up and the camera is recording video in night vision. To turn the night vision off, just press the Wi-Fi button and night vision has been turned off. And you can keep reactivating and deactivating night vision as the camera is recording video. Night vision on, night vision off. Now to use Wi-Fi with the camera, if using Android, search for sports camera in the Google Play Store. With an iPhone, search for sports camera in the App Store. You can also download the app by scanning the QR code right here. Now this camera can also record while it's charging. Now if the camera has issues and is not functioning properly, you can reset the camera. To reset the camera, press the on and off button and the Wi-Fi button at the same time, and that will reset the camera and it should be functioning normally. Okay, so let's install some of the hardware. So this clips onto the camera. So this is 360 degrees, and this is a clip that can clip onto different types of areas to mount the camera, and it can also be clipped onto this. So this can be mounted like a dash cam. You've got two holes here to potentially put screws to mount on a flat surface. And this would connect to the water resistant case. This can be mounted on a flat surface. The camera would go in here, and this can pivot 360 degrees. The camera is also magnetic and can stick to metal surfaces. Power the camera off. Press and hold down the power button for about 5 seconds. And the camera is now powered off. The camera will also power off after a short while in standby mode if it's not in use. Okay, so I'm going to be taking some footage with the camera, so please stay tuned. Okay, this is a test of the SQ29 camera. I'm currently doing a video test to see how the video turns out, and doing an audio test to hear how the audio turns out. So here we go. Okay, this is a night vision test of the SQ29 camera. I'm currently taking footage at night and see how it turns out. So here we go. Okay, so there you have it. This was an instructional tutorial review and unboxing of the SQ29 camera. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.